Here's my Honda, stripped a little bit. Gave it a good little wash. Power wash. Get a little cleaner. Stripped it down pretty well took the air filter box and filter out. Took the middle plastics out, took the back rack out. And yeah, I'm gonna start taking off this back axle and swing arm and get to those bearings. Hopefully I can replace them. So hopefully I can do that. It's gonna be a big job. I took the headlights out because they aren't working and I was figuring them out. I was able to get one to work, but then I found out one of them's burnt out and had some wiring issues, or the switch was broken, so I had to fix that a little bit. So hopefully that's all fixed. And I'll be working on this. Stay tuned. Before you do anything, there's two brake cables. You want to disconnect those, which I already have. And then there's two nuts that right here, they hold it tight in there. So get a big crescent wrench, loosen them up till there's threads on the axle. You want to get them all the way off. And then next you raise the bike. So I got a zip tie. So then you gotta take these nuts off in order. 2 nuts, then a small washer, big washer, and then you want to put a zip tie through there so you know what order they are. And then here's a little seal ring, O-ring. Mine's toast, so I'll be placing that. And then you just zip tie it, so then you know what order to go when you put it back together. And put that aside. Alright, so I finally just got this side done. Got the tire, wheel, hub, and nut off. It took me about 2 days because this nut is kind of deformed and it just would not come off. So then today I was able to find a impact wrench with a big enough socket, I had to find that at the grandpa's house. Got that and got it off of there finally. For some reason this is deformed, I don't know why. So next I'm gonna drain the gear differential oil. See how that goes. Right, so we're gonna drain this differential fluid, gear oil, whatever you call it. So first you take off the top so it'll flow faster. And then the plug at the bottom, very bottom, it's right there. Next we're going to take off the brake cover.
And these have never been taken off before, so really hard.
flathead screwdriver. Just start prying around. Being careful not to ruin that seal if you're replacing it. Or I mean, if you're not replacing it, be careful not to break it. And then should start coming out. There we go. So there's the brake right here. Brake pads go here, and this is the brake drum. See how easy it is? Look at that. Nice and easy to get out of there. There's the brake drum. So one of the bearings is in here that you want to replace, and then the other two are on the other side. Next, pretty sure I pound on the other side with a rubber mallet, and the axle should go through. There we go. Axle went right through. Alright, so next you get this bolt out of that's holding. Alright, got it out. Alright, next, taking off the pivot bolts that keep the swing arm, connect the swing arm to the frame of the bike. And what you need is a 17mm wrench, Allen wrench, to get them off. I have a nice enough repair shop. Nice enough guy there. He loaned me out this 17mm Allen wrench, which was really nice. And it just goes right in there. And I already twisted a little bit, but this is, you need a pipe, and you put it right over the Allen wrench. Get some good leverage, and then do lefty loosey. Alright, we almost got it out. There we go. There's our pivot, swing arm pivot nut. Looks a little worn. Oops. Looks pretty dirty. Alright, so then we'll go to the other side. I have it loose, so we'll just take it out all the way. I'm forgetting something. There's a, you have to get a Phillips screwdriver and loosen that clamp that holds the what is it called? I'll finish taking this out, I guess. This side isn't so bad, but yeah, those bearings definitely needed replaced. So now I'm pretty sure I can just pull this whole swing arm out. Alright, so the swing arm's out. And I forgot to take off these breather hoses, so make sure you do that. And it's off, so this bearing doesn't look so bad. But I'm going to replace it. And then on the other side, this one was totally gone. The whole bearing is just dirt and dust. So good thing I'm replacing them. Ugh. Yep, and this is going to be, I'm going to have to do, this is going to be part 1 of 2 or 3 parts. There'll probably only be this was part 1 and part 2, but this is, I'm going to have to break it up, so my videos with this project here. So got the swing arm off, and now next thing in part 2 is replacing the bearings and then putting it back together, which I might have to do 3 parts, so stay tuned for the finishing parts of the video. Hopefully I can add them to the description.